Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2024, and we're diving into Uber's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Uber's performance, especially given the significant milestones they've achieved this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Uber reported a revenue of $11.2 billion for Q3 2024, marking a 20% year-over-year increase. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Uber's revenue growth is primarily driven by a 16% increase in gross bookings, which reached $41 billion. This growth is supported by a 17% increase in trip volumes, reflecting strong demand across both mobility and delivery segments. Additionally, Uber's net income surged to $2.6 billion, significantly boosted by a $1.7 billion benefit from the revaluation of its equity investments.
That's impressive. And how about their profitability metrics?
Uber's adjusted EBITDA rose by 55% year-over-year to $1.7 billion, with an improved margin of 4.1% of gross bookings. This indicates effective cost management and operational efficiencies, contributing to their robust profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Uber's operational cash flow and free cash flow have also seen significant improvements. Can you elaborate on these figures, John?
Absolutely. Uber generated $2.2 billion in operating cash flow and $2.1 billion in free cash flow this quarter. This strong cash generation is a testament to their efficient operations and strategic investments. Looking ahead, Uber anticipates Q4 gross bookings to be between $42.75 billion and $44.25 billion, with adjusted EBITDA expected to grow by 39% to 47% year-over-year.
It seems like Uber is on a solid growth trajectory. What are their strategic priorities moving forward?
Uber is focusing on expanding its autonomous vehicle partnerships and enhancing its product offerings, such as rider verification and Uber One membership. These initiatives are aimed at capturing new market segments and driving long-term growth.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the performance of Uber's segments. How did mobility, delivery, and freight fare this quarter?
Mobility revenue grew by 26% year-over-year to $6.4 billion, driven by increased trip volumes and improved margins. Delivery revenue also saw an 18% increase, reaching $3.5 billion, supported by higher advertising revenue. Freight, although growing modestly by 2%, continues to face category-wide headwinds. Uber's strategic focus on autonomous partnerships, including expansions with Waymo, is expected to bolster their mobility and delivery segments further.
It's clear that Uber is making significant strides in its strategic initiatives. How do these align with their long-term goals?
Uber's strategic initiatives, such as expanding autonomous partnerships and enhancing product offerings, align with their goal of becoming a leader in the mobility and delivery space. These efforts are designed to improve user experience, increase safety, and drive sustainable growth.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, could you summarize Uber's performance and investment prospects?
Uber has delivered a record operating income of $1.1 billion, reflecting their strong financial health. They've also repurchased $375 million of common stock, indicating confidence in their future prospects. With $9.1 billion in unrestricted cash and plans to redeem $2.0 billion of debt, Uber is well-positioned for continued growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market expansion efforts.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Uber's performance in the comments below.